Welcome to Zack's pronunciation. The name of this Portuguese international footballer is pronounced in Portuguese with the emphasis on the second syllable teen. Vitinha, Vitinha, Vee-TEEN-yah, Vitinha, Vitinha, Vee-TEEN-yah, Vitinha. Vitinha is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a central or defensive midfielder for PSG and the Portugal national football team. Vitinha is known for excellent ball control and close passing, ability to dictate the tempo of a match, high work rate and tactical intelligence, press resistance and composure under pressure, playmaking from deep midfield positions. Vitinha, Vitinha, Vitinha. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos. See you in the next video.